Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2014 64 Reg 318D M Sport Saloon. The vehicle is presented in the Estrel Blue, features the Y&C body enhancement kit alongside some very nice options and features from BMW. Included in our in-house enhancement kit, you can see the brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels. So you get 4 brand new tyres with those. Down the side of the car, not only should you be able to see that this is a very nice and clean and tidy example, you have also got the gloss black side sill extensions, matching side vinyls and Y&C performance decals. The car comes with the rear sun protection glazing, gloss black mirror caps. Inside, a Dakota leather option interior which benefits from heated front seats. This one is a 7-speed auto. And if we take a look for the rear passengers, then you'll see a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, central folding armrest, which again has been kept in very nice condition, as has the rest of this 318D. Round at the rear of the car, we've gone for the gloss black rear spoiler and rear diffuser setup. Rear parking sensors. If we lift up the tailgate in there, you'll see that you've got a good sized boot. This one does come with a split folding seat option, so again that's just going to give you that bit more space should it be required, of course. Very useful feature to have on a Saloon 3 Series. And we'll quickly just demonstrate that before we head on inside the car for a quick tour around the interior features and functions. And as we go to take a seat, then you'll see straight away we've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. That features cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. This 3 Series has only covered just over 40,000 miles, so not particularly a high mileage car, which is of course really nice to see that. Nice low mileage example for you. Business nav and media, again, nice to have the navigation function there. Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio, front CD, USB, AUX and again a Bluetooth line-in. Nice to have all 3 functionalities there. Lastly, we'll just check the servicing information. Next service is not due for 16,000 miles. Service history wise, the last 3 have been done with Halfords Auto Centres. Prior to that, it was done at BMW. So again, nice to see the servicing has been kept on top of. Dual automatic climate system with heated front seats. Again, there is a look around at this superb 318D M Sport Saloon. If you'd like to know more, then do check out the links I'll leave available in the description. For the meantime, thank you again for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do, of course, hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find all of it useful. For the time being, thanks again. Take care. Bye-bye.